Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork jerky in an air fryer. First, select a lean cut of pork, such as a pork loin or tenderloin, for the best results. To make slicing easier, place the pork in the freezer for about 30 to 60 minutes until it's firm but not frozen solid. Then, carefully slice the pork against the grain into thin strips, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick. This ensures even drying and a tender chew. Next, it's time to infuse your pork with delicious flavor. Whisk together your favorite marinade ingredients, which often include soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, and black pepper. Place the sliced pork into a resealable bag or shallow dish, ensuring every strip is fully coated and submerged in the marinade. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Now for the air frying. Preheat your air fryer to a low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 77 degrees Celsius. Arrange the marinated pork strips in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it for optimal air circulation. Air fry for approximately 2 to 3 hours, flipping the jerky every 30 to 45 minutes. Continue until the jerky is dry, firm, and has a satisfying chewy texture. Once your delicious pork jerky is done, let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for preventing condensation and maintaining its texture. Store your homemade jerky in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, you can refrigerate it. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.